If one were to group protists based on molecular features, a classification scheme might look something like this, although this is far simplified and a number of groups have been omitted. Note that the groups which are sometimes referred to as amoebas do not all group together in the same clade. Note that the groups which are referred to commonly as algae do not group together in the same clade. The groups which were once referred to as fungal-like, with the idea that they might be more closely related to fungi, do not group together in the same clade. Multicellularity does not group together in the same clade. It seems that that has evolved separately. The ability of some organisms to be colonial while their relatives are only unicellular, this has occurred multiple times in different clades. Unfortunately, it is difficult to put protists into meaningful biological groups based on traits that beginning biology students might be able to recognize. It seems that the best classification is based on molecular similarities, the shared possession of specific genes, and obviously this is made much more difficult given that secondary endosymbiosis means that some protists have actually taken up other protists inside them as endosymbionts. Also, it is obvious that protists are a paraphyletic group. They do not include all of the descendants of the shared common ancestor, given that fungi, animals, and land plants are descended from early eukaryotes but are not considered protists.